How to use the Import Takeoffs option in PractiCAM. In earlier tutorials, we show you how to use the method of dragging and dropping PractiCAD files into PractiCAM so that you can import them from one system to another. There's also a process that will allow PractiCAM to automatically import files for you if you tell PractiCAM what destination folder you would like it to pull from. In this tutorial, we're going to open up My Libraries and we're going to come down to My Preferences. We're going to click on Preferences, and one of the four options we have currently is Quick Processing Settings, and we're going to click on Quick Processing Settings. Down here in the bottom, you'll notice that there's an option for Import Takeoffs. Currently, it is unchecked. If we check it, PractiCAM is going to ask us to look for a folder by clicking on the dialog box and choosing the folder we'd like. And we pick a destination folder that PractiCAM is going to look in at all times. And if we download something from PractiCAD to PractiCAM in that folder, PractiCAM, when this button is checked, will automatically pull that job in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to leave Import Takeoffs checked. And you can see that it's asking us, it's looking inside the PCAD export folder. And now we're going to go into the Takeoff screen. Now we're going to jump to PractiCAD. Here we're going to download this job you see on the drawing by using the Auto Takeoff Automatic. Take note that if we look at the Takeoff tab, you can see that the destination folder we're going to download this job is to the PractiCAD Training Video folder / subfolder PractiCAD Export folder. So we are going to drop these takeoffs automatically into the same folder we told PractiCAM to look for new jobs. So if we set both systems to do this, when we press OK, and then we exit out of our export field and everything's exported, PractiCAM on its own is importing these particular jobs. There was no drag and drop done. Once we exported everything from PractiCAD, PractiCAM created the folder based on the job name, created the drawing folder based on the drawing name, and downloaded both jobs. So it avoids the process of dragging and dropping that we go through in the other videos. So it sets it to be fully automatic. The only other option that we have associated with this particular feature is in My Preferences, you have the ability to also delete imported takeoffs. If this button is checked, once PractiCAM pulls those files from this folder, it will delete them out of that folder because they've already been imported to PractiCAM. So you can choose whether or not you'd like to have those files deleted or if you'd like to store them in your destination folder.